Alright, we're going to solder up some bullets here. I'm going to use all 2mm bullets for this example. Easy way. Clamp into some vice grips. A little gentle like. Take a tiny little piece. Solder. Tiny piece. It's for 2mm bullets. Oh. Just stick it inside there. Lean it back. All you're going to do is you're going to heat that up until that melts. When that melts, you take your pre-tinned wire, just shove it in there and let it cool. There you go, she's melted. Shove it in. Make sure it's plenty hot. Cool it. There you go. After you're done with that, take your shrink tube, put it on, hit it again real fast, done. Nice and easy.